Hello my lovelies, how are you doing today? I'm Romina Lodolo for those of you who don't know who I am. For those of you who do, welcome back to my channel. I'm super excited to share this experience with you. I'm getting ready to get to a wedding. Right now I have just gotten dressed. This is the final outfit that I'm going to wear. I'm going to show you then all the other outfits that I have and that I'm going to wear possibly today. I'm excited to show you what I'm doing and getting up to and how I got to this finished look. Keep watching to see how to get glam ready for a wedding and you're meeting someone for the first time. Today we are doing a get ready with me, I'm going to a wedding. What? I don't even know this guy. I'm being 100% honest right now. I have never met this man in person, but I'm going to a wedding with him. I have never been more excited, terrified, anxious, just all rounded, like overwhelmed with happiness as well. I don't know why I sign up to do stuff like this with strangers and people I've never met. Let's wish me well. So I'm gonna walk you through basically my routine for how I got ready to where I am right now. Yesterday I prepped, I went to the gym, I went tan canning, I exfoliated my whole body. Now this morning I had a bath, I have put oil on my skin and shaved and everything. I just feel like the silky dolphin. It's amazing. It feels great. And I used for the first time yesterday, second time today, the blackhead clearing walnut scrub from Himalayas. This brand is just always amazing me and always just doing such amazing stuff. So I did a exfoliation. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to use the refreshing fruit mask. I used this on the forehead part of my face yesterday. It worked really well. So I'm going to try it again today. It's kind of like a clay mask. It dries and then you just have to wash it off, rinse it off with some water or use a damp cloth to help take it off. What I'm also doing is I am drinking a green smoothie. This is half a banana, teaspoon of peanut butter, which is no sugar, no added salt, and some honey, and then the Wazoogel's green protein powder. I love it so much and it's just with water. I don't use milk because I feel like why do you need the added calories? You don't. So this is what the fruit mask looks like on my skin. It's like this pastel yellow and then it dries. So right now it's still in its like creamy form and then it will dry up and then I can wash it off. I'll be right back.
15 minutes later.
Hey guys, so I have just finished putting all the creams and all that kind of stuff on my face. I use the Simply Aloe Balancing Toner, which sprays onto your face, and then I use the day cream from Simply Aloe. And now I'm just busy curling my hair. I'm like in this cute bra and like these little shorties. They're like super cute. So I'm busy curling my hair. There's a big difference. This one just has so much volume. What I do is I do strands about that thickness. I'll take a size basically that big. So you'd say maybe about like that big. I just use a wand type of curler and I just wrap it around. The way I get it so it falls in a certain way is how I wrap it. So I'll take the one from this angle, wrap it like that, and from this side I take the wand up top and then wrap it around like that so that the waves fall away from the face. Then I just sectioned my hair. I just wanted to show you midway through this process, well maybe a quarter of the way, but this is basically how I look when I'm curling my hair, trying to just get all of this done. So this is what my hair looks like when it's just being curled. I used this product just before I curled my hair and anything like that. I just use it as a bit of a heat protector and to also just help style the hair a little bit better. This is what it looks like from KMS. And then this is the hairspray that I'm using. Once I was done with all the curls, I basically just sprayed my hair all over with this. When I've done a section, I spray the shit out of it. So when I first did that first section, sprayed it. When I finished the bottom section, sprayed it again. When I did the top section, the side, then the side, sprayed that as well. What I'm gonna do now is clipping it a little bit out of my face, but just so that it still keeps a bit of that shape. What I'm using now is the Rose Fix Plus spray from MAC Cosmetics. Brushing my eyebrows now, just be brushed up like that and then just around. So my main thing is skin. If I have bad skin today, then that's just what was the point of even wearing makeup, do you know what I mean? Rule number one is always make sure, especially if you're going out, that makeup doesn't look too heavy and that skin looks flawless. Sorry, that was weird lighting. I'm using the strobe cream from MAC Cosmetics in Gold Light and I think this is such a beautiful primer as well. It is a highlight, but I like to use it all over my face because I want to be glowing. I want to look like a goddess. Do you know what I mean? So yeah, that is what I'm doing. I'm going to use the MAC Face and Body in C4. This is a little bit darker than it should be for my skin. I should be using C3. but it's fine for right now, and I'm also tanning at the moment, so it's not like I'm too pasty. And I'm just like rubbing this in all over my face. I'm actually looking at a little mirror just down below here, if you guys are wondering where my eyeliner is going. So I'm just trying to keep my foundation, everything very light. I don't want to look like I'm wearing a shit ton of makeup. I'm meeting this guy for the first time. I don't want him to think that all I do is wear the most amount of makeup and that's why I look good. Oh hell no. I want him to be like, oh, she's cute, her skin's good, it's glowing. Yeah, I want him to think I'm naturally pretty. I'm just blending it in. I washed this literally 2 seconds ago with some shampoo. I use the 2-in-1 organic shampoo to wash my blenders just because, sorry, my skin is quite dewy. My skin is tanned and I'm not breaking out right now. They're under control. All my friends are behaving today. I'm so happy. So here's a little bit of a problem area for me. I've got 2 little spots here. My under eyes aren't that bad, so I'm probably not gonna go too crazy on that. But I am gonna do a nice wing liner and a lot of highlight and a nice lip as well. So that is basically the goal right now. I'm going to start working on my eyes. I'm using the Revlon concealer in the color Stay for medium, and what I'm doing with this is I'm putting a little bit on my eyes. Oh, and I had the tiniest bit of lingering, so if my eyebrows look more defined, I just used whatever was left in my lingering pencil to kind of just fill in the tip over there. I'm using my NC30 MAC Fix powder, and this I'm putting with this brush, and I'm just going on top of the eyelid. I just really don't want the makeup to look too thick. It's my biggest concern right now. I'm gonna do the lipstick because I'm keen to do this one. This is the LLP003 from SAC Cosmetics. I'm using this color and I'm putting this all over my lips. Overdrawing it a little bit, a little smidge. I'm using the Amber x9 palette from MAC Cosmetics. I'm going to use the color Georgia Peach, which is this purpley grey tone just in the corner here. I'm just packing it on at the base and then just kind of like blowing it outwards. Okay, I'm just putting a little bit underneath the eyes. Blend everything together. The lip gloss I'm putting on the Butter Gloss from NYX. This is in the color Creme Brulee. One of my favorites. I'm in love with this. I think it's so cool. So yum. It smells divine. I just want to eat it. Now what I'm going to do is just kind of put concealer on the trouble areas. So I'm blending. I'm just using the same concealer as earlier. Blending. Okay, cool. Blend until you can't blend no more. Oh, there I got pencil. That one came out of nowhere. That one came like from like right now. How dare they? I'm just gonna put like maybe a little bit. I'm gonna use that MAC Studio Fix powder. Putting that just over here. That problem area was setting just a little bit underneath the eyes. I'm gonna set this and I'm gonna use the MAC Fix Plus Spray again. Liner, let's go. Oh my god, I'm so stressed. Okay, I'm gonna do this off camera because I'm literally freaking out about time right now. So just give me a second. The eyeliner is done. I used the eyeliner from Romina, and then I use the Avon mascara in Big and Extreme. That is why that is done. I'm gonna do some highlight on the bridge of my brow. I'm using the MAC 217 brush, and then I'm going to go into the Kitties color from the Amber x9 palette. Taking this color, and that is going over here, like that. Backlight highlight palette and the color Strobe. And with this color, I'm using a very small brush, and I'm going in the very top here. Yes, queen. I'm just putting a little bit in the inner corner of my eye. You could wet your brush, I think. I just don't do it. It's so pigmented already. You kind of don't really need to. The inner corner again. Very, very like tiny bit. And there's that done. So I do not advise you to leave your curls just cray like that. So I just brush it through. Like if you curl it properly, it will stay. I just want to say again, this is my real hair. I always get that a lot, like, are those hair extensions? No, sweetie. It's my real hair. That's basically what the hair looks like done. Super happy. I'm going to show you guys the outfits now. I'm not doing lashes. I decided if I cry, if anything happens, I could do lashes, but at the same time I'm like, I don't want to have to worry about it. So, yeah, speech. Anyway, I'm very happy. I'm going to show you guys my outfits now, how much they cost and where I got them from. Okay, so this dress is really pretty. You can see it's got like a really nice sparkle to it. There's a little bit of a strand there. This dress was from H&M. It was 429 rand. This size that I got is a Europe 40, UK 12, if you wanted to know. And then the shoes I'm wearing with it are from Edgar's. I bought these like sock boots, the tiniest heel, because apparently he's not that tall. The boots I bought are $499.95, so 499 rand 95 cents, and then they're in the color black. They're a size 6. I'm a size 6, so yeah. I'm gonna just cut them and then I'm gonna show you the full look. This is what the dress looks like. It is a like bodycon type of dress, long sleeves, open back. It's a little bit sheer, but it's not that see-through. I'm not wearing a bra. I do not own a sticky bra anymore. I don't have those little cuppy things, and my boobs are just too big for anything right now. So what do you think? It's really cute. I'm gonna show you the shoes, and then those are the shoes. Yeah, so they're super cute, like little sock booty type of vibe. I'm going to show you the next outfit now. This is the other outfit. This one was also from H&M. It is 379, so 379 rand. It's a Europe 40 and a UK 12. I also really like this one. This one was super cute as well. I just unbuttoned it so it looks a little bit more sexy than it should. Buttoned up, kind of just like that. It's really nice. I'm digging this one as well. It's like really cute. Okay, so this is the last outfit that I'm going to show you, and the last one I'm going to try on because I'm boiling hot right now. So this jacket I am completely obsessed with. I tried on a few different ones from different stores, and then this is the one that I found the best. I got this one from Woolworths. So this one was about $8.50, but I thought it was so worth it. It's literally the softest touch. It feels like a like a baby bear. I'm not gonna lie, it just feels like the nicest little thing to cuddle. This is a size 14. I decided to get a really big size. It says this one was made in Vietnam and that it's 100% polyester for both. It gives that satiny kind of effect, but it's not actually satin. But I love it so much. I think it's awesome. It's got 2 clips, one at the top, one midway, so if you want to clip it up, it's really awesome. This is the outfit. So this is like a boob tube kind of top. And this top was from H&M. It was $179, so it was nearly 180 rand. The skirt is super comfortable. I love it so much. The skirt was about $5.29, and these are the boots that I'm wearing. They're really cute. These ones were from Woolworths. They were $5.50. Let me show you what they look like. These are the booties. They're super cute. I love them so much. And yeah, that is it from me today. I'm gonna finish getting my things together and start driving to Pretoria. I am super excited. I don't know what's gonna happen. So that is Romina Bianca Lodolo out. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, for subscribing, and for liking this video. Please comment down below which look you like the most. So guys, I'm really, really excited. I'm nervous. I'm about to go now. So wish me luck. I'm sending all my love to you, my lovelies. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope that you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for everything, and I hope you have a wonderful week further. Bye bye, my lovelies. I love you so much.